Hi guys, welcome back to Grandma's Kitchen. Today we're making a simple recipe, Besan Latte, and the following ingredients I've got. I'm just going to quickly run it through, but you'll find all the measurements and the weights in the description box below. So I've got 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of besan, 2 cups of milk, and I've got some flaked almonds and some pistachio to garnish after we've made the latte. And I've got some almonds to garnish, and I've got some turmeric powder, black crushed pepper, cinnamon, and some saffron strands, and some ginger powder. So I'll just quickly give you the benefit of it. You know, the benefit of making this drink. In the olden days, people used to drink, like, you know, if they felt a bit weak because it's got almonds in and some pistachios, and it's good for the winter months, like if you got cold, sore throat, coughs. So it's really that there are other benefits as well. So we're going to start off heating the pan, so let's get started. So we're just going to heat this up, and then we're going to add the butter in. That's a ghee. So I've got 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm just going to melt that down. Right, so I've already melted the butter now, so we're going to add the besan in. So I've got it on low heat. We don't want to burn this, we're just going to sort of slightly roast it and making sure there's no lumps. As I say, my mum used to make this, you know, when we ever got cold, we're not feeling good. She used to make this. It was like a magic cure for your flu. Right, so we're just going to slightly, once it starts to release the butter, and then we're going to just gradually add the milk in, making sure there's no lumps in there. So we just got it on very low heat. Right, can you see it's changing the colour now? Right. I'm just going to start adding the milk in now. And it smells absolutely gorgeous. You can smell it when it's ready. So I'm just going to add some milk in. Going to do it gradually, making sure there's no lumps in. Still got it on low heat. Give it a good mix. Just going to put the heat up now. Just got to be careful that it doesn't go lumpy. Still got it on low heat, so I'm just still mixing it, so making sure there's no lumps in there. If you do form lumps, you can use a whisk. Right, Right, so while that's heating up, I'm gonna just crush some almonds. We're just gonna crush them, so we're not gonna make them into a powder. You can add some honey in, or I'm doing sugar free because we don't use sugar in our tea or milk. So, but you can add some sugar in or garlic, so whatever you fancy. I'm just going to turn the gas off now. Right, so I'm just going to add a pinch of black crushed pepper, and I'm going to pinch of turmeric, and some ginger powder. Add it to your taste. And then we're going to add some cinnamon powder, and I'm only going to use a pinch of it, and some strands of saffrons, so just a few. That will just give a nice colour to it. And I'm also going to add the crushed almonds. And then we'll give that a good mix. Right guys, so I'm just going to add a bit more ginger powder in. So that's about half a teaspoon. So we'll give that a good mix. Ginger's really good for you. So just give that, I'm going to bring it to a little boil. It smells absolutely delicious, honestly. It's a quick, easy fix for colds and flus, and if you've got a cough as well. So right guys, I'm going to turn this off, and I'm going to put it in the glass for you. Right guys, so there you have it, and I'm just going to put it in the glass. Honestly, it smells absolutely delicious. There you are, homemade cure for the winter months, for your flus, sore throat, coughs, or even if you just fancy it as it is. There you are guys. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and share it with your friends, your family, and write me a comment and let me know how would you make yours. I'm just going to give it a good quick taste. Oh my god, it smells, honestly, it tastes really, really nice. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I shall see you in my next one.